Sissy? Are you doing it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotta push on the brakes like you did before.
Hit the brakes.
Oh, she did. Okay.
Okay. You starting to roll? No. You gotta hold yourself up with one foot. One foot down. Yeah. Okay, wait. Listen. Okay. That foot, this leg. Hold on, put it on the ground. It has to hold you upright. Okay. I'll give you this one. This one has to hold you up until you start going, okay? So, put this foot up here, and then when you start pushing the pedal, there you go.
Hey, little one, there you go. Woohoo! Oh. You gotta turn too, Sweet Pea. Try again. There she goes. A little wobbly, but hey. There goes Andrew. Awesome, you turned, sis. Woohoo! Good girl. You did